Are you feeling like you're always fighting against time, where you're constantly finding yourself at work only to come home to deal with the kids, help them with their homework, cook dinner, pack their lunches for the next day, and then put them to bed? Hey, if you're new here, my name is Shirley. I'm a busy boy mom and wife, and I help moms just like you learn the power of a 2-hour workday, making money online so that you can be free to enjoy the time with your kiddo without worrying about the financial stress. You have a cell phone, access to Wi-Fi, and 2 hours a day, you can be successful learning the skills to earn money online. In my program, you'll get a pre-built automated system. That means your business will be working for you 24/7 so that you can be able to enjoy every moment with your family. You don't need any experience. You don't need to find customers or talk to customers. You don't even have to bother your friends and family. This is not an MLM and it's not a pyramid scheme. Guys, this is literally the easiest beginner-friendly step-by-step solution for you to start earning money online. What are you waiting for? Don't waste any more time. Imagine if you started today, what 2024 will end up looking in the next 30 days, 60 days, at the end of the year. So if you're ready to change your current situation so that you can have more time with your loved ones and not miss any more time, I want you to put ready in the comments and I will send you all the details.